everybody! Hi my friends! Today we're gonna do another guided reading and I'm gonna be making some notes and you're gonna learn a lot with me today. Stay here and let's go! Let's get started! So first I'm gonna do one reading only of the whole text in a normal speed, and then afterward I'm gonna read once again on normal speed, and then we're gonna read the third time, making some notes together. Okay, let's do it. So pay attention. Ontem eu saí com meus amigos, fui na academia, na piscina e na igreja. De manhã eu tomei um café da manhã com ovos, pão, queijo e também tomei uma xícara de café. No almoço eu comi arroz, feijão, frango e batata doce. À tarde fui na padaria com meus amigos e eu tomei um milkshake de chocolate e comi um croissant de presunto e queijo. À noite eu fiz meu jantar, era um macarrão com molho de tomate. Antes de dormir, eu li o livro Pai Rico e Pai Pobre e adormeci 30 minutos depois. Once again, the second round. Try to follow and try to see how is your reading and your listening. Let's see if you can identify many words in my second reading. Let's go. Ontem eu saí com meus amigos, fui na academia, na piscina e na igreja. De manhã eu tomei um café da manhã com ovos, pão, queijo e também tomei uma xícara de café. No almoço eu comi arroz, feijão, frango e batata doce. À tarde fui na padaria com meus amigos e eu tomei um milkshake de chocolate e comi um croissant de presunto e queijo. À noite eu fiz meu jantar, era um macarrão com molho de tomate. Antes de dormir eu li o livro Pai Rico e Pai Pobre e adormeci 30 minutos depois. Okay, now it's time for us to make some notes here. Let's do this together. So if you noticed, this text here is based on the simple past. What is the simple past? Things that happened. For example, verbs in English that ends, the regular verbs in English that ends with ed. Worked, played, stayed, danced. All of those verbs are in the simple past, something that you did and it's finished. It's done. It wasn't in a specific time. So all this text here is talking about yesterday, ontem. Ontem means yesterday, okay? Yesterday. I left. I, the pronoun I, left with. That's the preposition with. My friends, okay? My friends. Fui. Why fui? Because you already said I here, so you don't need to use it again. I went. You can just say went to the gym. This is to, okay? So the preposition to plus the article the. Sorry about my writing here. I'm trying my best. So to plus the, it would be em plus because academia is a feminine noun, so it takes the article a, not o. So academia. So if you get em plus a equals na, okay? Equals na. So I went na academia, gym. Na piscina. So if you use the verb fui, I went, you can say the places you went. You went to the gym, to the swimming pool, piscina, and to church. Na igreja. I know in English you don't say to the church, but in Portuguese we still use the articles for the nouns. Our language is based on masculine and feminine and neutral nouns. So we use a lot of a as articles for feminine words and o for masculine words. Igreja, it's a feminine noun, so you use a, okay? Na igreja, em plus a. De manhã. De manhã means in the morning. I tomei um café da manhã. This is the translation with the verb drink. I drank a breakfast. Actually, if you translate this sentence to English, it would be I had breakfast. Okay, if you translate tomei um café da manhã to English, is the approximation in Portuguese to had breakfast. But for us to translate had breakfast, we don't use the verb ter, which is the verb have in Portuguese. Eu tive um café da manhã. We say drink. I drank a breakfast. Tomei, I drank the indefinite article, café da manhã, breakfast. Café da manhã, breakfast. Café de manhã, when it's with E instead of A, is coffee in the morning, okay? With eggs, bread, ovos, pão, queijos, cheese, and also, também means to and also. Tomei uma xícara, look at again, the same verb of tomar here, we have it here. So, one moment. The same verb here, we have it here, because you also use the verb drink, like tomei uma xícara de café, I drank a cup of coffee. This is cup of coffee. Or you could say, I drank a beer, tomei uma cerveja. I drank a cup of water, tomei uma xícara de água. That's weird. Or a glass of water, copo de água. So, and so on with the verb drink, okay? Tomar. No almoço, at lunch, remember all the time we use the article with the preposition. So we have N plus O because almoço is masculine. No. Almoço, eu comi. I ate. Comer in the past. Rice, arroz, beans, feijão. Pronunciation, nasal sound. Feijão. Feijão. Frango, chicken. And sweet potato, batata doce. À tarde, in the evening, okay, à tarde, that's a proper grammar here. À tarde with the crase here. Fui na padaria. Who fui? Me, because I'm talking about me all the time, right? I don't need to repeat again. So I went without the pronoun I, just use went. Na padaria, at the bakery. Padaria, bakery. Na, em plus a. Com meus amigos. With my friends. In English, you only use my. You don't change the possessive because of the noun or because the gender or the number. In Portuguese, yes, you always change the possessive according to the noun. If it was amigo, you would be meu amigo. If it's amiga, minha amiga. Amigas, minhas amigas. But it's amigos, and the plural and masculine. So it's meus, okay? And I, eu, look again, the same verb. Tomar. Tomei milkshake. Milkshake. Tomei milkshake. Milkshake of chocolate, chocolate. E comi croissant. This is a French word, huh? Croissant. E comi, I ate a croissant. I don't know how to say in French, but in Portuguese we say croissant. De presunto, ham and cheese. Presunto e queijo. À noite, at night, I did my dinner. When we translate I cooked my dinner, instead of saying eu cozinhei meu jantar, which is correct and grammarly correct, we are so informal that we use the verb do, you know? In this case, it's in the past, so it's I did my dinner, okay? You would say I cooked my dinner, I had my dinner. In this case, I would translate as I cooked my dinner. And in Portuguese, you will change the verb cook to did. I did my dinner. Eu fiz meu jantar. Era macarrão. It was. So it was is only this one. Era. One moment, guys. Okay. One moment. Okay. So it was is translated to era. It was, era It was a pasta. Macarrão can be translated as pasta with tomato sauce. Molho de tomate. Antes de dormir, before I slept, but you don't use the pronoun again, I. You just say antes de dormir. Eu li o livro. I read. Look, read in the past. The verb read in the simple past. Li. Eu li o livro. I read the book. Rich Dad. Remember, the adjective comes after. It's not like English. Beautiful people, nice house, rich dad. In Portuguese, is dad rich, house beautiful, car nice. Okay? So, pai rico e pai pobre. And poor dad. E adormeci. Adormeci is the verb I slept. And in this case, we can also translate with the phrasal verb I fell asleep 30 minutes. 30 minutos. 30 minutos. Esse O. There's that U pronouncing sound. Minutos. Depois. Depois. Okay, guys, let's read twice again the same text on a normal speed and let me know if you improved your reading after we work on the context here, the link words and everything. So let's do this. And pay attention when I'm reading all the links, I do it, okay? So let's go. Ontem eu saí com meus amigos, fui na academia, na piscina e na igreja. De manhã eu tomei um café da manhã com ovos, pão, queijo e também tomei uma xícara de café. No almoço eu comi arroz, feijão, frango e batata doce. À tarde fui na padaria com meus amigos e eu tomei um milkshake de chocolate e comi um croissant de presunto e queijo. À noite eu fiz meu jantar, era um macarrão com molho de tomate. Antes de dormir eu li o livro Pai Rico e Pai Pobre e adormeci 30 minutos depois. Once again. Ontem eu saí com meus amigos, fui na academia, na piscina e na igreja. De manhã, eu tomei um café da manhã com ovos, pão, queijo e também tomei uma xícara de café. No almoço, eu comi arroz, feijão, frango e batata doce. À tarde, fui na padaria com meus amigos e eu tomei um milkshake de chocolate e comi um croissant de presunto e queijo. À noite, eu fiz meu jantar, era um macarrão com molho de tomate. Antes de dormir, eu li o livro Pai Rico e Pai Pobre e adormeci 30 minutos depois. Well, guys, the reading from today is this one. Let me know in the comments below if this reading helped you by somewhat, if you improved your Portuguese today, if you learned more about the simple past in the Portuguese Brazilian language. And please consider subscribing to my channel if you're studying Portuguese. I bring weekly content for you every Tuesday. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.